Welcome to another edition of 5-Minute Fridays. My name is Dave Demerest, and I'm a systems engineer here at Red Level. Last week marked the official start to spring, the time of year when people think about cleaning out the basement, cleaning out the closets, and prepping for next season of growth. Companies should be doing the same with their technology. When you go to clean out your company's basement or technology closets, take an inventory of all your technology assets, both those in use and those collecting dust, specifically desktops and laptops, servers, and firewalls. Why is that important? Well, with workstations, there are aging components of failure. As computers age, components fail, such as hard drives, which will result in data loss. Old hardware components may not have proper specs for newer software, which can leave users with reduced productivity either from lack of compatibility or missing features. Another reason is outdated operating system and lack of security updates. Unsupported operating systems such as Windows XP and Vista no longer receive important security updates, which can leave your network and data at risk to hackers and malicious activity. The third reason is software support and functionality. Many newer applications will not run on older hardware operating systems, which can leave businesses using software that has security vulnerabilities or missing features that can help with business operations. Next is servers. The first reason for servers is also aging components and failure. Just as workstation components age, so do they on servers. Hard drives are particularly more vulnerable to failure due to their moving parts. This is even more crucial for servers as they serve as a central point for file storage, domain management, and mission-critical applications. A failed component or server can bring business functions to a halt in an instant. The second reason is software and hardware support. Hardware support and warranties typically expire between 3 to 5 years. If a failure occurs outside of the warranty, replacements and repairs are out-of-pocket costs. As hardware gets older, parts and replacements are also increasingly harder to find. Newer parts may also be compatible with old hardware. The last reason is virtualization. Virtualization of servers is becoming increasingly popular and commonplace in business. Updated versions of VMware and Hyper-V that support the latest and greatest security and features are not supported or will not run on older hardware. The last piece of hardware is firewalls. The firmware on old firewalls past warranty and support will not be compatible with the latest firmware designed to resolve issues and bugs of older firmware to keep networks secure and functioning. Next is the actual hardware itself. Newer firewalls have increasingly better hardware specs, which bring higher productivity to users. As bandwidth increases, firewalls need to be fast enough to take advantage of additional bandwidth and the growing demand of expanding business. Lastly is security software. Many older or home-grade firewalls do not adequately protect today's networks. New next-generation firewalls have a suite of software designed to detect and block malware before it even hits the network and support the latest security protocols. Preparing your company for a season of growth can start with your hardware technology, but don't leave it at just hardware. Join us next week to learn what cleaning out your old hardware can do for your organization, or join us at one of our upcoming Tech Spring cleaning events. We'll be in Grand Rapids at West Michigan Works on Wednesday, April 10th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And we'll be in Novi at our Red Level Tech Center on Thursday, April 11th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. For more details, check out our website at www.redlevelgroup.com/SC19. Make sure to sign up for the event. We'll see you there.